Hello everyone, Ryan here. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Northwest LLC Formation review. In this video, we're going to dive deep into why Northwest continues to be one of the top choices for creating an LLC, exploring the features, pricing, and how it compares to competitors. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of why Northwest stands out in the LLC formation landscape and whether it's the right choice for your business needs. So starting a business is an exciting but often complex process. The right formation service can save you a lot of time, money, and potential legal headaches down the road. So with that in mind, let's explore why Northwest Registered Agent has earned one of our top recommendations. So starting with competitive pricing, as Northwest offers one of the most cost-effective options for forming your LLC. When it comes to forming your LLC, you would always have to pay around $40 plus the state fees. Now these state fees do vary per state, so it's not really a fixed price, but the $40 that you would have to pay are fixed. But if you want a registered agent service on top, then you would get it for a fixed $125 per year, and they state that they would never raise that rate. Their pricing structure makes Northwest significantly more affordable than many competitors, especially in those crucial first years of your business. So when you form your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent, you will go through the process step by step. So starting with the formation process, you would have to pay the formation fees, and this depends on the state. And then after that, you can choose to have the registered agent fees. Perhaps you want them to do the articles of organization, and this would add additional $50. And you really choose what kind of services you want added on top. And in my opinion, this transparency allows you to pay only for the services that you need, potentially saving you hundreds of dollars. Other than the pricing structure, they offer exceptional customer service, easily accessible support via phone and email, quick response times often under a minute for phone support, knowledgeable and friendly responses, and no transfers or callbacks necessary. To give you a better idea of how Northwest compares to competitors, there are some popular alternatives such as LegalZoom. In this case, LegalZoom is a little bit more expensive when it comes to the registered agent services, so they charge around $250 per year, but their starting price is $0 plus the state filing fees. And if you want even more add-ons, you can opt in for the Pro or the Premium plans, which come in at $250 plus state fees and $300 per year plus the state fees. So I would say Northwest is generally more affordable than LegalZoom. They do offer more personalized customer service though, and provide a free registered agent service on your first year. But all of the competitors jumped in and actually offer free registered agent service for the first year. So it kind of doesn't make sense why the registered agent service goes up to $250 per year. When it comes to forming your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent, you do pay the initial $40 plus the state fees, but you also get fast LLC filing, free domain, website, email, and phone, and the business address and free mail forwarding. Another popular competitor that we're comparing to is Inkfile. They do offer a starting price of $0 plus the state fees for the LLCs, S-Corps, and the C-Corp. The registered agent service is also free for the first year, and then it goes up to $119 per year, which is cheaper than any other competitor. However, I would say that Northwest provides more comprehensive privacy protection. If you're wondering what the importance of having a registered agent service is, I'm going to break down why this is one of the best services that you can opt in for. So a registered agent is actually one of the legal requirements in most of the states, and it provides a physical address for receiving legal documents and state correspondence. It also ensures privacy by keeping your personal address off public records, and it handles important documents during business hours. So again, the pricing for this service with Northwest, $125 per year after the first year, is competitive, especially considering the quality of the services provided. So for most entrepreneurs looking to form an LLC, Northwest provides an excellent balance of affordability, service quality, and added value. Their straightforward approach and commitment to customer privacy set them apart in a crowded market. While Northwest Registered Agent is one of our top recommendations, I encourage you to do your own research and choose the service that best fits your own specific needs. And with that, we will have reached the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know whether you have any other questions by leaving them in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.